I'm gonna go to Juhu after this.
Okay, take care. See you.
Bye.
Sweet girl.
Okay. Wow. Who is that girl?
But
What? Am I not perfect for you? No. Don't call me no more. I'm done.
Hi.
Yeah. Wow. Really? Is this what we're doing right now? You're just not gonna answer my calls? Why are you so shady? Block my number. Jerk.